Hi everyone, I am Sachin Gupta and this is a quick walkthrough of PromptShield POC, a secure AI summarization pipeline designed to protect enterprise workflows from unsafe content. In today's AI landscape, large language models are powerful, but they are also vulnerable to toxic inputs and misuse. So, this POC addresses this by integrating Azure Content Safety and Azure OpenAI to scan every prompt before it is processed. Whether you are uploading a text or a PDF file, the system checks for harmful categories like hate speech, violence, illegal content, and self harm. If unsafe content is detected, the summarization is blocked and a clear message is shown to the user. The dashboard is simple and intuitive. Just upload your document, authenticate via Azure Entra ID, and get a secure summary in seconds. And if something goes wrong, the UI provides immediate feedback so you know exactly why the prompt was rejected. Let's take a look at how it works in action. So let me start the server first. This server is built on FastAPI. All right, our server has started. Let's start the UI. Okay, our UI has started. So the first step in this UI is to authenticate. So we have built in as Azure Entra ID authentication. Let's authenticate that, and you only have to do it once. So provide the code, then it will look at the account. Let's see. Okay, so here and then continue. And this will, you can now close this window. This your authentication has been successful. Now in this we can upload any file and it can do a summarization for that file. So let's look at this first file, which is a compensation essay from Ralph Waldo Emerson. So let's try to summarize it. It takes a few seconds to summarize. The LLM model that we are using is GPT 3.5 Turbo. Okay, all right. In the meantime, let's look at the logs that are occurring. So we have divided the text into 7 chunks, and we are making several calls to the Azure Content Safety Shield API. All right, so now we are back to the UI, and here we see that the Emerson's essay has been summarized here. You can also download this summary, and it will show up. You have a downloadable version. All right, so the next functionality that I would want us to test is how it detects prompts that are. Let's open the file separately first. So let's look at this email. So this is an email which has violated several standards, and we wanted to make sure our POC scans this and flags it. So let's upload this email and then click on summarize. All right, so this email, you can see that the message, the summarization blocked. So, and within the server logs, we also see Okay, so this is prompt block due to unsafe content. All right. So now let's run other test with an email with a unsafe prompt. Right. So we have added a prompt in this regular text, and we want our POC to detect this and flag it. Right. So let's get it over POC. Okay, let's do this and click on summarize. It will get blocked. So let's see in the here. So OpenAI block summarization due to content filtering, right? Because we have manipulated a wrong prompt. All right. So this is what we get. All right. So the entire code base for this is available on the GitHub. I'll share the link in my video with a README. Right. There is an architecture document as well, which is shared here in the docs. All right. Thank you.